There are four levels of wealth. Your income has almost nothing to do with which one you're on. There are people earning $70,000 a year sitting on level 3, and people earning $300,000 who've spent 20 years stuck on level 2. Most people die on level 2, without ever learning that level 3 was reachable the whole time. But knowing your level is the easy part. The jump from level 2 to level 3 is the widest gap in the system. And there's a trap at level 2 designed to keep you there. The trap first, then the bridge. Two brothers-in-law at a family barbecue. Tom earns $220,000 as a director. New SUV, beautiful house, 2 leased cars. Dave earns $95,000 as a project manager. Older car, smaller house. Everyone at the barbecue assumes Tom is the successful one. But Dave hasn't worried about money in 4 years. He could quit tomorrow and be fine for a decade. Tom did the math last month and realized he's roughly 6 weeks from crisis if the paychecks stop. 6 weeks on 1/5 of a million a year. Same barbecue, 2 completely different levels. Here's the map. Level 1, stability. A surprise is not a catastrophe. Reached when a broken transmission or a dental bill is annoying instead of devastating. Markers. No high-interest debt dragging you backward, and a buffer of 1 month of expenses growing toward 3. Don't dismiss this level. Crossing into it is the biggest felt upgrade in the whole system. The background hum of money dread goes quiet for the first time. Roughly 1/3 of Americans, including plenty of high earners, haven't crossed this line. Level 2, comfort. Money stopped hurting. The buffer is solid. Retirement contributions happen. The vacation gets booked without a spreadsheet session. Markers. Positive net worth. Savings rate around 10 to 15%. Life feels fine. Level 2 is wonderful. Level 2 is also where dreams go to retire early. Because here's the trap. Comfort removes the pain, but pain was your fuel. At level 1, fear pushed you forward. At level 2, nothing pushes. And the world is engineered to keep you here. Every raise arrives with a matching lifestyle suggestion. Every milestone with a matching upgrade. Each one converts future freedom into present comfort at a terrible exchange rate. Income rises, level stays identical. You can run on this treadmill at $200,000 a year. That's Tom at the barbecue. Maximum comfort, 6 weeks of security. Level 2 doesn't feel like a trap. It feels like success. That's what makes it one. Level 3, independence. Work became a choice. Your invested assets can carry your life, not luxuriously, but genuinely, for years, stretching toward indefinitely. The classic marker. Invested net worth around 25 times your annual spending. Notice, spending, not income. A modest spender reaches level 3 years before a big earner ever can. That's the entire cheat code, and it's why Dave beat Tom by a decade. Psychologically, everything changes. You stop performing out of fear. You negotiate differently. You take the risk on the better job, the business, the year off. People at level 3 are often more successful, precisely because they no longer need any particular outcome. The money's job was never the beach. It was the spine. Level 4, freedom. Money exited the decision process. Daily decisions no longer route through money at all. Where to live, what to work on, who to help. For most households, this is multi-million territory. And here's the important part. You don't need it. Level 3 is where life actually changes. Treat 4 as a bonus level. Chasing it past the point of meaning is just level 2 thinking wearing a bigger watch. Level 2 is comfortable enough to stay in forever. That's the point. Here's the only way out. Part 3. The 2 to 3 bridge. 3 planks. 1. Replace the missing pain with a number. Comfort killed your fuel, so install an artificial one. Calculate your level 3 number tonight. Annual spending times 25. Write it where you'll see it. A visible finish line recreates the pull that fear used to provide. 2. Freeze the exchange rate. From the next raise onward, lifestyle gets at most 20% of it. The rest is invested. Nothing you have gets downgraded. You just stop the automatic conversion of future freedom into present upholstery. 3. Lower the target. Don't just raise the savings. Every $100 of permanent monthly spending you delete cuts $30,000 off your level 3 number. Cutting spending is double-counted math, more fuel, and a closer finish line. The quiet wealth habits aren't a personality quirk. They're the shortest existing path from level 2 to level 3. You're not saving money. You're buying a lower finish line. Tonight, one number. Annual spending times 25. Just compute it and look at it. For most people, it's the first time the gap between level 2 and 3 becomes a measurable distance instead of a vague someday. You can't cross a bridge you've never located. Subscribe. Every week we break down the systems that quietly run your financial life. Stop surviving. Start building. I'll see you in the next one.